So hey guys, for a while there have been no good tablets out on the market that thankfully will change soon with the Xiaomi launching a new model. So breaking this silence, a leaked photo of the Xiaomi branded tablet called the Redmi Pad has surfaced. The leak reveals the device's color option, storage configuration and even price. Earlier it was reported that the Chinese tech giant might be planning on launching the upcoming tablet sometime within this week. However, a report from TechGoing claims that the Redmi Pad will be launching next month in October. The report also noticed that Xiaomi is possibly delaying the launch of the Redmi Pad to avoid competition with the Apple's iPad. We have already heard about a new report from China saying Xiaomi has plans to launch what could be its second tablet in October, but on Thursday, TechGoing published a tweet that claims it will launch next month. While we are waiting for the new Xiaomi tablet, there has been some leaks about what to expect. One of them came from Xiaomi Kuwait on Instagram, which posted this image. It clearly shows the Redmi Pad and the camera precisely matches what we have seen in renders. The company has not confirmed the exact launch date yet, but it has just received multiple certification from private agency, which is a hint that it may be about to come soon. The tablet has recently visited the BIS and SGS Flimco certification websites. As a budget tablet, this won't deliver amazing performance, but it gives you the options to save some money. The tablet is powered by a MediaTek MT8781 chipset that lets you handle day-to-day tasks and run very smoothly on the device. With a mid-range delta with a 2x Cortex A76 and 6x Cortex A55 with a Mali G57 MC2, this sounds like variant of the Helio G99, which is a competitive CPU in this price range tablet. Let's take a look at what the tablet has to offer. There will be an 11.2 inches LCD screen with a 2K resolution. That sounds great, not to mention its large 7800 mAh battery that will be able to charge your phone quickly at 22.5 watt fast charging. For photography, the device will also offer an 8 megapixel camera without a flash on the rear. It will likely run on Android 12 OS based on MIUI Pad 13. Now coming to the very important part, what will be the price of this Redmi Pad? As far as I am aware, the Redmi Pad will apparently be available in both Wi-Fi only and 4G LTE flavors. The former was already certified by a UAE wireless authority. According to one recent leak, the tablet will cost 71.9 Kuwaiti dinars, which converts to this. This could be the Wi-Fi only model, since other leaks claims that the LTE models will be priced significantly higher than this. So what do you think about this Redmi Pad? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.